Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add items to your wish list, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, obviously you have to find an item that you would like to add to your wish list. You can see that there are different categories. You can search on the home page as well. So for example, I want to add this household automatic robot, for example, and you can see that there is that heart option on the top right corner. Click on it and now you can see that now this item is added to the wish list. And you can check your wish list if you go to the U option, which is on the bottom of the screen. Now you should see the wish list option and you can see that it appears here. And after that, obviously you can order it if you would like to. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.